This video is arguably one of the most important videos that you'll watch because this is how you turn your object from a 3D design eventually into a 3D printed object. It's important that you know how to export these objects properly. So we're going to make a very awesome, beautiful box, and we're going to put a cone on the front of it, and we're going to put a cylinder on the side. And we're even going to take a donut, well they call it a torus, but it's a donut, and we're going to place that right on the top. So we've made an excellent work of modern art. And now we're going to say, okay, I actually want to print that out. Before you do that, there's a few steps that you need to do. The first step you should do is go ahead and save this object to my computer. So you'll hit save to my computer, you'll go to yours, and you'll make yourself a folder, and you'll actually save it in there. So whatever folder you've chosen. Okay, so I'm going to call this one modern art, and then I'm going to hit save. So that's just in case something goes wrong and you need to access it again. You should always make sure you're saving your pieces of work. Next thing you should do is go to export. This is exporting it as 3D is the way that the printer will know how to use it. The format is always STL. So you'll click that, and we always leave it as fine, as our the mesh it's called. When you see this come up, this combine objects, that should be a red flag to you, and you should say, I don't want to hit OK yet, I want to go cancel. I need to make sure these are all grouped together. So when you click that and it comes up as STL, combine objects, oh, cancel. I have not grouped these yet. So I'm going to highlight them as I showed you before, and we're going to group them. Then you're going to push enter. Now they're all grouped together. Just confirm it by taking it, moving it around. Okay, it's all grouped together. That's very important. If you don't do that for some reason, it might only print the original shape that you had. It just doesn't work properly. So export as 3D STL. That combine objects will still be there, but you've just confirmed, yes, I've grouped it. So now click combine objects, then OK. Then you're going to save it in the same place that you did. So you're going to put it there. Your file name is going to be modern art. Okay, so I can click there. Make sure you take away the 123DX if you're naming it the same, and then just click save. Now it's in the format that I can take this and we can print it on the printer. One thing you'll have to do is talk with your teacher, whoever you're doing this with. They should have set up a folder on the public drive. That public drive then gives the teacher access to print this out. So you'll have to go again, export as 3D, STL, same steps, you've already grouped it, push OK. Then you'll have to find the public drive on the side here. I don't have access to it right now, but it'll be on the side. You'll click this PC like that, and it'll come up and it'll say public drive, and you'll save it there. Ask your teacher which folder you're supposed to save it in, and then you'll hit save again. So that's really, really important that you know how to save things and you know how to export them. If you're having any questions, make sure you ask your teacher how to do that, and then your object then is ready to be printed.